Hi there, Eric Bakker, Naturopath. Thanks for coming back. The Naturopath from New Zealand, online. Thanks for checking out my channel. As you're probably aware now, we're moving a little bit away from Candida. We're still working on digestive issues with people, but we're looking more at weight maintenance with people. Okay, I don't even like the word weight loss. I like the word weight maintenance. So let's talk about metabolic rates. How can we improve a slow metabolism? So can you replace or repair a bad metabolism or a slow one? In many cases you can. I've successfully helped a lot of people lose an enormous amount of weight just by helping them to repair their metabolism. More recently was a lady that I treated in Hawaii, of all places, with a slow metabolic rate, who lost about 20 pounds in a very short period of time, purely by increasing her metabolic rate. Okay, and in this case, we did digestive work, got the gut cleaned up and fixed, and then we did some thyroid balancing, and it had a tremendous effect on the woman's sleep, weight, libido, energy, everything basically improved. This is not new to me. This is something I've done now for so long now. It's just become quite normal to see people lose weight like this. So if you're a bigger person trapped in a body and you've got a slow metabolism, my expert advice for you is first get your digestive system in a great place. Repair that first. Don't think you can jump into thyroid medications immediately. You're best to get the digestive system really working well. Work on that for 2 or 3 months, and then start looking further afield, at endocrine dysfunction, particularly when it comes to adrenal and thyroid. But I wouldn't jump into that right off the bat. I would recommend that you first check things out carefully. While you're working on the gut and cleaning the gut up, looking at getting the beneficial bacteria replaced, maybe removing a little bit of some unwanted bacteria in there. While you're doing that, you can I'd say 4 to 6 weeks, get your thyroid stimulating hormone level, or TSH. Get that checked by the doctor to see if there's any kind of thyroid imbalances. You want the TSH to be between 2 to 2.5 is about a good level. And I often get patients to test that every 6 weeks. Put that on a spreadsheet to see what's happening with it, because it's a bit of a barometer of your health. And sometimes we'll also be looking further afield. We look at things like vitamin D, B12, and maybe do a complete blood panel to make sure that there are no things there, because low iron can also slow your metabolism right down. So iron, magnesium, these are all important things for you to have plenty of in your body. They could really affect your metabolic rate. So you can repair, in many cases, a slow metabolic function, but you'll need to get help. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to click on the link below about why diets fail. Why weight loss doesn't work until the gut is working better. Thanks for checking out the video.